just want to quickly go through and explain what's happening in Homework 5, Part 1, Question 5. We want to make a confidence interval. We've got people who have gone to the store because they've got coupons. There are 142 of them, so I'll put 142 here. The store wants to know what percentage of them are coming, or what proportion of them are coming because of the coupons. So they went out and they asked 603 people, like, have you come to the store because you got coupons? And 142 of them said yes. The proportion of people who are coming to the store because of the coupons is about 24%. We want to make a confidence interval that's 95% confidence interval. So this is, and that's just telling it, the problem is just telling us that. So I have 0.95 here. This is the z-score that goes with the 95% confidence interval. This is the standard deviation that we could get from this p hat value. And this is what's called the margin of error, which are these two things multiplied together. So what we do is we take our proportion here and we subtract this margin of error and we add this margin of error to it, and we get these two values. So we can be 95. So what the store wants to know is they want to know out of everyone who comes in the store about what percentage of them are showing up because they're getting coupons. From the sample, we can see it's about 24%. But that's only this 603 people. Thousands and thousands of people are probably going to the store every month. So we want to know from the population of everyone who goes to the store what percentage are going because of coupons. So we've made this confidence interval. Now the store can be 95% confident that between 20% and 27% of people are going to the store because they receive coupons in the mail. That's of everyone who goes to the store. And I wrote that out here. Of the population of people who come to the store, we are 95% confident that between 20 and 27% are due to they're coming due to coupons. But we don't know if it's 21% or if it's 26%. We're just 95% sure that it's not 19% or any number less than 20. And it's not like 50% are coming because of coupons. So it's really just telling us like how effective we think sending out coupons in the mail is. And, you know, if at least a fifth of people are coming into your store because of coupons, it seems pretty effective. If you have more questions on how to do this, let me know. I will post a separate video for the homework when we start estimating for the population mean. That's it. Thanks a lot.